Government corruption has never been more prevalent or caused more harm. It's why extremism is on the rise. It's why the financial gap between the haves and have-nots has never been wider. And it's why our planet is at risk of an extinction level tragedy. That's why I need your help to keep exposing the truth about the rot on both sides of the aisle. Become a supporter or a friend of the show today by clicking on the coffee link in the description box below. Friends of the show join me on a Zoom hangout once a month, and you guys can ask me any questions you want, and I can get to know you better. But the most important reason to help is to keep the show alive. Together, we can and will save our country and our planet. Thanks in advance and enjoy the show. Hey, everyone. Welcome to Plants and Politics. So after 3 years of the Durham investigation, they scored a big fat L in court. As you guys may or may not know, attorney John Durham, he was appointed during the Trump administration, appointed by Bill Barr to act as a special counsel. And this was to investigate the origins of the Trump-Russia collusion story. So one of the key pieces of their argument was that attorney Michael Sussman had started this whole ball rolling, that they said he falsely claimed that there was a server in Trump Tower that was engaging in some sort of communication with Alfa Bank, which is a bank located in Russia. It has ties to the Kremlin. So Sussman was apparently the person who took that information to the FBI. And he told them that he did so out of concern for possible collusion between Trump and Russia. So attorney John Durham and all of Trump's base allege that Sussman took this information to the FBI on behalf of the Clinton campaign. They said that he did this to undermine her opponent. They believed that that was the case because Sussman apparently has done legal work for the Democratic Party. He was also working for the Clinton campaign when he went to the FBI with that information. However, in court, witness testimony apparently proved that the Clinton campaign did not want nor ask Sussman to take that information about the server to the FBI. Rather, the witnesses said that Clinton's campaign actually preferred to give the information to the press. They wanted it out in the public. So the question that the jury had to answer during their deliberation was, did Sussman lie when he told the FBI that he wasn't handing this information over on behalf of a client? That was what was in question, meaning Clinton was the client. Or they had to ask, was he simply acting on his own accord as a concerned citizen or whatever? That was what the jury was tasked with answering. It didn't take long for them to decide. The jury began deliberating on Friday, and they were already back today, and they acquitted Sussman of lying to the FBI. So with a jury of his peers, they looked at all of the information, they heard all of the witness testimony, and they said, no, he was not lying. This was not on her behalf. He did this on his own. So whether the information was real or not, which the FBI had determined that there was no basis for it, that there was nothing there, they couldn't determine why or if there was this alleged communication between the two servers. So whether or not it was legit was not in question. The question was, did Sussman lie to the FBI? And the jury looked at it and said, we believe him. Anyway, guys, as this moves forward, because there are other people that Durham has charged and they are going to go to trial as well. So I will keep you guys posted. All right. Thanks so much for watching and listening, guys. Take care. I'll talk with you soon.